this is a little extra today, just a little mini class, but just for the fun of it. So take a comfy seat, place your feet wherever it feels nice, maybe a crisscross, maybe an half lotus, wherever they want to go that's comfy. And let's bring our sit bone into the ground. So let's move the luggage away from us, just to allow our back to be straight. So if the back cannot go straight, move your legs around to accommodate that. So as straight as it possibly can be. We all have different bodies, different injuries, different issues. So you go with your body, know your body, and move slowly and mindfully. So let's take care of ourselves. So anytime I suggest something, everything I teach is a suggestion. Just go very slow, and anything that does not feel good, come out of it or skip it. I have a lot of easy versions and I incorporate everything. So all my classes are very good also for beginners, with variation for anywhere you may be at that moment. So let's roll our shoulder just up and back, and let's slow that down. Just shrug, and just slide your shoulder forward, and then they're still way up, back, and release. Let them go where they want to go. And with the nose, inhale up. And don't send your head too back. If you need to put your fingertip in the back at the base of your skull to prevent that, do so. And exhale. Any breath you need to take before or between, take them. This is Yogito. He is 14 years old. Inhale, center. He's 14 years old and he's been doing yoga with me his entire life. So he sees a mat. He usually has his little mat somewhere, but you will see him come. And with all the videos now and the way things are, it is it's life. And when I film in my little studio inside, it's a dog that's there. So those things are there, and I think it adds a lot of fun. Being a down dog and not being able to go in cobra because the cat is under you. So it helps the creativity really. So let's inhale. Let's get moving a little bit. Inhale, reach through your fingertip. Keeping your fingertip up, exhale, just the shoulders down. Inhale, just relax, and exhale, one hand to the side. Just plant it solid, bend the elbow a little here. The other hand, any hand that are up in the air, you can put it right on your hip or wherever it's relaxed if it's too much. Otherwise, we're gonna try to keep our chest open here. The gaze where you're looking at is always where it's comfortable. So I will suggest one, maybe looking up. If it helps you, bring your shoulder up. But if it's too much strain in the neck, bring your head centered or wherever it feels nice. On your next exhale, bring both arms up. Again, reach through the fingertip. Exhale, the shoulder down. Neck is always very relaxed. Take as many breaths as you need. Inhale, fingertip up. Exhale, to the side, around the cat. Other fingers, reach. Maybe make a little circle, opening the chest. Maybe your hands wants to be down, and that's good, and I do that too. And press in your bottom hand. Inhale, back up. Exhale, both hands down to your side. Mini circle with the head. Just a couple times each way. And take your time here. And center. And when you're ready, inhale up again. We're repeating that and with a twist. So exhale your hand to the side. Inhale, reach through the fingertip and exhale. Bring your fingertip, your upper one, towards your bottom fingers, but they don't have to touch. If it's fun for you, bring it there, but as long as you respect your body. Inhale, back up. Let's do it one more time on that side. Exhale slowly, and again. That doesn't feel right, come out of it. There's so much things in yoga we can do. Inhale up. We don't have to do the things we don't like. Bring the arm back down, center. Inhale, both arms up, and my accent is French. Exhale, one arm down. Inhale through the fingertip. Look up maybe a little bit. Maybe open the shoulder. Perhaps your hand wants to go down. It's not because it was up on the other side that it has to be up again. So however you feel right now. Exhale, fingertip towards the cat, towards the fingers, the other fingers. If it reached the cat, maybe stretching it. Inhale the hand back up. Maybe one more time. Exhale, fingertip towards your other fingertip. Neck is where it's relaxed. Inhale the arm up. Both arm up. And exhale to the side. So just a little bit afternoon feel good yoga. Let's take a big inhale, and you can inhale through the mouth and exhale through the mouth. And now let's try to bring everything through the nose if it's possible. And on your next exhale, just give yourself a big hug. I call them kumbaya hug. Kumbaya hug, you can like little nurturing hug, maybe a little circle with your body. It's hug to yourself. And looking where our arm is, exhale, just switch that around. Another hug. And if my breath does not match your breath, you always use yours. If I inhale when you exhale, you do what you do. Just remember to breathe. That's what's important. Exhale the arms down. And big inhale up. Exhale, hands forward. If your legs were crossed like mine, uncross them. Come, sit back any way you want. If it's not comfortable on the heel, you can tuck your toes, sit back in crisscross. And I hope you enjoy our little mini class today, little mini yoga break. And I will try to throw a lot of those here and there, in addition to your 2 classes, minimum of 2 classes. I like making a little tidbits and sending them, and of course there'll be some live streams, so it should be fun. I'm still working my way around Patreon, so bear with me, but we're getting there, and the videos are coming up, and I love doing live ones. So you stay safe. Namaste.